check on Harry and see what he's doing. Harry is a car freak. If you did not know, Harry is a car freak. And now he has started to work on different projects to put on YouTube. So it's very interesting to see someone in their element and to see them do what they love. So let's see if we can keep up on him and see where he's going. He's putting a new engine. That's the engine. He's putting a new engine in his MAXIMA. Mechanic shop out here or whatever. He's doing something, I don't know anything about cars. I see his breakfast is here. I don't know where he is, but yeah, I'm so happy for him. Super excited. Pretty cool. Oh, a little secret, Harry likes to collect cans. So right there is all the cans that he collects. And he just collects them and keeps them. More parts. When I find Harry, I'll put him on the camera. Okay guys, now that they don't have that loud machine playing anymore, I can show you what they're doing. So, here's a MAXIMA. And here are them dropping the engine in. Pretty cool, huh? There's H-Dog. And that's J-Dog. And there go Charlie. So, I guess it's coming along pretty well. How's it going, fellas?
Pretty good. You missed the fight.
Harry, what was been the hardest part so far?
Keeping it clean.
Keeping the engine clean?
Keeping the air clean.
I'm talking about putting the engine in.
Oh.
Tell the fuckers.
Lining it up.
James, has that been the hardest part for you too?
Yes.
Okay.
But other than that, this is easy.
They said it's easy, so if y'all need that engine done,
I'll let Jimmy on the wrench.
H&J Auto Body Shop. Alright guys, so that's it for my video for right now. I'll come back at y'all with some more clips of my day. Hey guys, hey family. Harry's about to work my nerves. But y'all remember the project I said that Harry was working on with the engine in that MAXIMA? Oh, I said maximum. And that MAXIMA, they did it. Harry, are you excited about your work?
Of course.
Oh, I think I already asked you what was the hardest part.
The hardest part was we had to be 420 friendly for the most part.
Harry, what was the hardest part about the engine? Tell the people about the engine.
Oh, the hardest part about the engine? I would have to say the hardest part about the engine, I would have to say, is just lining it back up with the transmission.
Okay, and how many people did it take to do this with you?
Overall, it was mainly two, and I had one helper one day, and I had another helper another day. So 4 people were involved.
Okay. So, is there anything you want to tell the people?
Not really.
You think
Basically,
you could do it
if
again?
it's a car you like, just...
Excuse my 7-Eleven snack bag in the... If it's the car you like, then what?
Then you should change whatever breaks
You
for
had to put your tag right there, like whatchamacallit. Lord. Lord.